round of applause for my DC, yes, my dean, and everything. Please, a round of applause for that. Yeah. A round of applause for all my lecturers, my doctors here. Yeah. So my problem is that here was my father when all these men were going to school. The only thing I will do is that my honorable chairman that got admitted in 1971, I will give him my daddy. You will call my daddy. But I cannot tell my father. Yes, you call my father and ask him why. I don't know. Please don't have to applause for my dean, sir. Yeah. Can you approve me? My dean is the finest dean in University of Benin. So we always like to talk in public. Yeah, it's not easy. So, but my problem, if you don't know how to speak English, rest. Yeah, somebody just spoke to me outside. I was like, Funful, how are you doing? And I'm fine. I told him, today is my birthday. He said, oh wow, continue to rest in the bosom of the Lord. How do you say something? I tell people, if you like, be the best graduating student now. Create a drug. Now name the drug after your name. Maybe your name now. I'll be like, sir, give to your lecturer, sir. This is a drug named Aminapology. Yeah. It's for headache. Sir, can you please test it? So the lecturer will be like, have you given it to your classmates? So he'll be like, no. Say, try and give to them. If not able to them, bring it to me. Then you bring it later, sir, give it to them. Take it to the den, you know. Give to the thing, you like, give it to the BC, please. I don't even give to the BC. Just be like, have you give your parents? Please don't have to applause for yourself. Pharmacy. I'm glad I'm here because we can never be stranded. Yeah, that this country you study banking and finance, do IT for POS. He said, I live on that two working they do now, giving up cash person to cut person life. The country is hard. The other day, someone mad, just a complaint saying, person, your past 10 does be no bread. Those days when the tea was dirty. The country is hard. Yeah. I'll do this and I'll leave. No time. Now, as a student, you're a student here, please have something doing to make money. Yeah, as a student, if you don't have money, you suffer in this school. People will suffer you. But advantage today, yeah. Where is they here? The neighbors came to our compound. Started robbing different rooms. I was in my room. I was not even afraid. Not that God was with me, but nothing was in the room. So they robbed all the room, they entered my room. The neighbor looked me, I looked her. He looked the room, he looked me. Some of the food stores play the tea for other places, now they're just one for I'll do this and I go, no time. I always tell people, you don't help everybody. The other day I told Benin, I saw two madmen fighting. One normal man, people, they separate them. Why? They separate them. People, when they carry madmen, come pack the three of them. Now what? See, we are not the man, they speak English. Good afternoon, sir. No man. I was separating them. I graduated from the prestigious University of Benin with a first class. They didn't believe, and one of the men said, "I'm true, like our first for that time."